Above Charleston, below this orange number. Down, 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 down. Go boys. Coast Guard, Coastal Classic, Team Vodafone Sailing 021, Team Vodafone Sailing 021, we're just passing Flat Rock, over.
Certainly we think the tiplets on the rudders have certainly helped with speed when you start blast reaching like that. The boat's going a knot or so faster for sure, and yeah, that's really the work most of the performance work improvement that we've done on the boat. The rest was after a rigging failure we had to put a new rig in, and that was just one of those things that happens. That's yacht racing. Yeah, well, the crew, fantastic. Disco, amazing. You know, he's done so much work over the winter to get the boat back going after we crashed it. So fantastic, and you know, a great crew. And hey, 5 hours is doable. We can see that now. Yeah, I guess on the way up when it didn't lighten, we thought, shivers, we kind of keep going, keeping on, and we might have a chance here. Might actually have a chance at the record. And when we got through the Brett without the normal big hole, we slowed down a little bit to 9 knots for about maybe 5 minutes or something, and then we popped out the other side and plenty of breeze, and we thought, hey, this is on, even though we had to beat into the bay. So yeah, great race really. 2 days ago it looked like a drifter, and here we are, we broke a record.